This is Through the Legal Lens. On December the 2nd, 2011, my son was killed in Chicago. All right. Like I said, this is Through the Legal Lens. I got the idea from A Time to Pee for my son when I was potty training my kids. All right. This is a true documentary. Yeah. Factual, no fiction. February the 2nd at 8:53 a.m., I gave this to Greg Bernstein, Scott Shellenberger. All right. I gave it to President Bush, President Obama, President Biden, President Trump. I gave it to Governor Westmore. I gave it to Governor Hogan. I gave it to Governor Ehrlich. Yeah. I gave it to Governor O'Malley. I'm an artist and I get shit done. We talking about the money behind mass incarceration in your prison industry. Came here from Chicago, straight out the Illinois Department of Corrections. All right. I'm not from Baltimore. I'm built different from y'all. Came up with the ideas of toilets because if I go to jail, I got to share that toilet with an inmate. 2025, we're going to share this toilet with the world. It's called Potty Training Politicians. People pay attention to dumbass shit. I'm going to mix truth in the comedy. That's Get Shorty, November the 29th, 2006. Like I said, December the 2nd, 2006, my son was killed in Chicago. That's when y'all twisted the story. Through the Legal Lens. I've been denied due process and equal protections under the law. You can charge me with crimes, but I can't charge you. Well, this is Dwayne Davis versus State of Maryland, District Court of Maryland. And y'all use your courts to protect your corruption. President Trump got this, and these are the people involved in my illegal incarceration. All right. That's Jake Davis, Patricia Cook, James Hammond, Karen Park, Paul Weinblatt, Scott Shellenberger, Peter Francott, Governor O'Malley, WJZ, Adam May, Kai Jackson. You see the big picture here? That's Malcolm Ruff. That's Malcolm Ruff, Frank Conway, Pollard Towing, Special Agent Richard McFeely, Barry Sims. Yeah, we're going to have a roll call on this. Everybody here knew all about it. And y'all been blocking me access to the grand jury to keep me from making this public. All right? I'm an artist and I get shit done. And I got shit done. It's all documented. I'm an artist and I get shit done. See who's on that? That's Nathaniel McFadden, Barbara Mikulski, Eric Holder, Congressman Rupersberger, Baltimore Sun Timothy Ryan, Benjamin Jellis, Wendell Sutton, Christian Schaefer, Richard Scher, Robert Long. Feel me? Everything I did, I documented it through the legal lens. Through the legal lens, and I got Jill P. Carter. It's A Time to Pee. Did you use the toilet today? You're going to think about Shorty tomorrow. It's lights, cameras, actions, because we making a movie all about you. On February the 2nd, 2011, my mother, Corrine Davis, died from cancer. 5 days later, y'all locked me up and charged me with terrorism. Activism ain't terrorism. That's Governor Westmore, and that's President Trump. And we talking about the money behind mass incarceration. These is your elected officials. Racism don't work without black cooperation. It ain't gonna end without white participation. These are your elected officials. That's Vanessa Attenberry. She got my information. That's also Brooks. She got my information. These are the old white men. Miller and Bush and Hardins. All right. Question of the day. Did you use the toilet today? You're going to think about Shorty tomorrow. The money behind mass incarceration. The money behind mass incarceration. And the black faces protecting white supremacy. It's a time to pee. Better be pissed off than pissed on. You don't get as wet. Through the legal lens. Remember that. The legal lens. Activism ain't terrorism, but I'm going to terrorize you with the truth. Turn shit to sugar and sugar to shit and have fun doing it. Remember, I'm from Chicago. I ain't from around here. I'm built different. Did you use the toilet today? President Trump, did you use the toilet today? Governor Westmore, did you use the toilet today? You're going to think about me tomorrow. I'm an artist and I get shit done. Through the legal lens.